Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to make the easiest and tastiest American pancakes. So my pancake lovers, please watch this video with me and I'll see you next time and you won't regret it. By the way, I know you haven't seen Henry for a long time, but here is Henry, still kicking, still happy. So let's get started. Add 2 cups of plain flour in a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt. Next, add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So this is 1 teaspoon here and this is the 2nd teaspoon of baking powder. Next, add in 3/4 cup of sugar and then add in your eggs. So you need 2 eggs for this recipe. So here we are breaking the first one and here the second one. So this recipe is the easiest ever. Next, you need to add in 4 tablespoons of oil, and we are using vegetable oil, but feel free to use coconut oil or olive oil, groundnut oil, any oil you prefer. Next, add 1 cup of milk, and we are using semi-skimmed milk. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, but this time we are using vanilla sugar, which is sugar mixed with vanilla, and it smells awesome. And now here your little boy Henry complaining about being tired.
I'm really tired. Tired.
I'm tired.
Yeah.
Next, to make it quicker, you can mix everything with your hand mixer, but if you haven't got one, you can do it manually, just that it will take you a few more minutes. Okay, so mix everything. And this is it now, but just to be sure that everything is well mixed, we are just going to scrape down the sides of the bowl and mix it well. You know, sometimes you never know, there could be some lumps still in the batter and we don't want that to happen. So just take your time and use a spatula and mix it. Alright, our pancake batter is ready. Now we are going to heat up our frying pan, and when the pan is hot, we are going to scoop a big spoon of pancake batter to it. So you do not need to add any oil because we've already added oil in the batter. So wait about 1-2 minutes on the lowest heat possible because it can burn very quickly, and then turn it or flip it onto the other side, and this is what you're supposed to have, this wonderful color. Okay, now our first pancake is ready and we're just going to flip it over once again for you to see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how your pancake is supposed to look like on the other side. Okay, so let's do it one more time. When the pan is hot, add in 1 tablespoon of pancake batter. Try to keep the same size. I know it's difficult, but just try as much as possible. Oh, and here I know you haven't seen Mr. Jury for a long time, and here is he getting all nice and fat with his boy cuddling as usual. Okay, my dear friends, so here are our pancakes. Okay, and they're looking great in the kitchen. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. So now decorate it with mixed berries. I've got raspberries and blueberries, and add some golden syrup on top. And this is it, guys. This is our American pancake recipe. Have it for breakfast, for anything you like, but just try it. These pancakes are thicker than the usual crepes and they are also very nice. So thank you all for watching this video. We hope you're going to try it, and we'll see you very soon for another recipe. Bye.